You're looking for the perfect flooring for your next project. Maybe you want something modern, versatile, and perhaps something a little easier to install yourself without 100 different tools. B-Design Isocore Inside offers innovative solutions for all your flooring needs. Our collections offer a wide range of products with various sizes and dimensions to fit your taste and needs. Need XXL planks? We've got them. Or XXL tiles? Sure. Along with herringbone and square collections, we have everything you might want. With its revolutionary Isocore technology that provides a rigid, strong, dimensionally stable core and innovative Drop-Lock 100 and Drop-Lock 400 installations, B-Design Isocore Inside offers stunning designs that complement any room. The flooring is significantly quieter due to its sound-insulating underlay, reducing noise by up to 18 decibels. It also provides additional comfort as you walk on it. B-Design Isocore Inside design flooring are incredibly stable and durable, with ultra-fresh and anti-mold treatment on top and bottom, allowing for a long life of beauty in your project. They are also very compatible with underfloor heating and can be easily installed indoors. B-Design Isocore Inside. Live on vinyl.